So hi guys, here you are again. We've got another little bit of wonderful, beautiful bit of kit here for you. Nice lovely little bit of stock. Now look at that. Now that is a very, very rare car to find. So what we've got here is been just hand picked by our buyer. We've got a 911 3-litre turbo 992 Carrera S Coupe, which comes with an unbelievable spec. Now this is registered on a 74 plate, so it's still under your manufacturer's warranty, and yes, it has got around 19,000 pounds worth of options. Unbelievable, this car. Look at that. Finished, as you can see, in the Arctic grey. It's got PPF on the front, so bonnet, wings, bumper, halfway up the A-pillar. I mean, this car brand new was 128,000, and not a car to be missed, if I dare say so myself. I mean, you can see it's just unbelievable. This colour's such a nice colour, it really is. It's got Michelin's all round, as you can see, red calipers. See, it's just... I mean, I'll run through the spec with you. So we've got the black interior, you've got your 20s and 21-inch alloys, which are your Carrera S alloys. It's got your sports design package, sports chrono package, it's got your mode switch. It's got your Porsche track precision app, tyre temperature display, sports exhaust system with tailpipe, black tailpipes, as you can see there. Sunroof, which I'll open for you and show you. Park assist with surround view. 4-way electric sports plus seats. Heated GT sports steering wheel in leather. Obviously Porsche crest in the headrests. Exclusive design tailgates. Brake calipers painted in high gloss. Black trims around the windows. Priv. Electric folding door mirrors. Power steering plus. LED Porsche door courtesy lights. Exclusive design fuel cap, preparation for a roof transport system. I mean, it just keeps going. I mean, the standard equipment on this car as well is immense, as you know. So you've got your LED matrix headlights, as you can see. Obviously comes with your nav, your DAB, your dual zone, your heated seats, your keyless start, sensors. I mean, yeah, look at that. What a beautiful car. Let's have a look inside it. You can see there, so you've got your PPF, so it kind of stops there, but then it's all round here. You can see it's been professionally done. Such a very clean car, this one. I mean, look at that. Beautiful. Such a clean thing. Let's get in it, have a play around with it for you. So you've got your Bose system, keyless start, GT heated steering wheel, cruise. Obviously we've got your all touch screen here now. let's just hear it. Just sounds lovely. Sports chrono, hot seats. I mean, this is just such a beautiful car. As you can see here, see there, got your comfort, driver's seat there, look, heating balance, Apple CarPlay. It's just absolutely lovely. I mean, guys, and I keep saying it, we've done it again. She's bought the right car, she always does, and yeah, I think this one is not to be left. So yeah, ceramic coating available, as you know. We've got trackers available, we've got dash cams, we've got, more importantly, one of the main sort of features that, well, one of the main things that we've got at the moment is we've got a fantastic finance rate. Finance comes from Close Brothers. They're giving us an APR of 9.9%. So available PCP, conditional sale, HP. We've also got other lenders as well, where we could do business unregulated lease purchases if you're interested in that. So there's a whole load of packages that we can do. But yeah, look at that. Enjoy that. I did. I'll see you on the next one, guys. That is not to be missed.